Hello friends, today we are going to perform our experiment in which we are going to send the sensor data onto the phone. So, you can see it here. So, this is our sensor data. If nothing is there, then it is off. You can see here, if I am going to put my hand, it will show on. If I am going to remove it, see, it is off. Even you can transmit any analog values also onto the screen. So, for this, for the sensor, I have taken a IR sensor here. For the data transmission, I have taken the Bluetooth module SC05 and this is our Arduino board. Now, the connections, how to connect these devices. So, already in the last experiment we have learnt about it. Again I am going to show you how to connect it. So, this IR module is of 3 pins, you can see it here, VCC, ground and Vout. So, VCC is connected to 5 volt. So, for this device 5 volt I have taken from here. So, from this board, so this yellow color wire is of 5 volt which is connected to here, and 5 volt this white color is goes to this. Now, ground is connected to here. So, ground of this Bluetooth and IR sensor and this Arduino is sorted here on the board. Now, excuse me. Similarly, supply voltage of this and this both requires 5 volt. So, 5 volt I have taken from the Arduino, they are connected it to here. Now, for the Bluetooth, two more pins are left, TX and RX. So, RX pin of Bluetooth is connected to the pin number 9. Remember, RX pin of Bluetooth is connected to the pin number 9 of the Arduino, and TX pin of the Bluetooth is connected to the pin number 10. So, this becomes the connection. Along with this, we need the software. So, we need a app. So, AudioTruth, what we have used into the last experiment, same app we have taken in this case. So, already we know that how to switch on how to use this particular app. So, this time we are going to connect it, and this time we will select, in place of terminal we are going to click onto the receiver side. So, when we click it, so press this button, so you will get a notification, devices get connected. So, since only one data is coming, so we are seeing this, we can connect 10 sensors with this particular app. So, I have taken only one. So, you can see. Now, how to write the code for it. So, now I am going to coming for the coding of it. So, this time we are using software serial. So, in the previous experiment we have used hardware serial, means we have used pin number 0 and 1 of the Arduino, but this time we have selected pin number 10 and 9 to connect the Bluetooth. That is why we have used software serial.h, and software serial we are defining as a BT serial, pin number 10 and 9. Now, coming to the program. So, in pin mode 12, so 12 number pin is used as my input pin. So, if you see in this particular diagram, this IR module gives its output to the pin number 12 to this. So, pin number 12 is the input, and BT serial dot begin 9600, 9600 is the default rate to data transmission. Now, in this main program, coming to the loop, first thing we are trying to get the signal from pin number 12. So, that this I am defining as an integer type. So, I am going to check if x is equal to 1, then transmit the data onto the Bluetooth module, and if input is 0, then you transmit off, and this transmission reception you do with a delay of 100 millisecond. So, this time directly you can verify the data, program, then you are uploading the program has been uploaded. Now come to this side, the program is uploaded here, everything is get connected. So, you can see it is off, then this device is transmitting 0. So, when any object coming here, so you will see red light is glowing, means object is there, it will transmit logic 1 to the Arduino, and Arduino will send the data on. And to remove it, this device will send 0 and it comes here off. So, you can use this particular experiment for various purposes. You can use in your home. If you are not there, if somebody comes there, then you will get information on your device. So, this time we are using Bluetooth. There you can use another medium to transfer, Wi-Fi module or GSM module. One SMS will come to your device. Thank you.